What is multithreading in Java? First, we should know about threads. So a thread is a lightweight subprocess, the smallest unit of processing. When multiple threads are executing simultaneously is known as multithreading. As shown in the figure, a thread is executed inside the process. There is context switching between the threads. There can be multiple processes inside the OS, and one process can have multiple threads. There are many Java thread class. Some Java thread class are start, run, sleep, current thread, join, resume, stop, destroy. Some benefits of multithreading are because threads are autonomous and you can do numerous operations simultaneously, it doesn't block the user. It saves time because you can perform many operations together. Because each thread is independent, when an exception occurs in one thread, it has no effect on the other threads. Real-life example of multithreading on Microsoft Word, you are typing a paragraph. However, there is another thread operating in the background that is checking your spelling. When you make a mistake, the other thread alerts you to it.